Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Yolanda, and today we're going to talk about farm animals again. But today I want to play some Who Am I riddles with you. You already know so much about the farm animals we've been talking about, so let's play a game and see what you remember. What is the name of this animal? Cow. What about this one? Sheep. What about this one? Pig. Cow, sheep, pig. So I'm going to say a who am I riddle and give you clues about one of these animals, and you're going to tell me which one. Are you ready? Who am I? I am a farm animal in which I have a special nose called a snout, and I use my nose for finding food and for sensing the world around me. And I'm a very friendly animal, and I'm very social. Who am I? Did you say pig? Oink, oink. And then, do you remember the name of a baby pig? Piglet. I am a pig. Who am I? I'm a type of farm animal that's very, very big. And I produce a lot of milk that people drink. And I am a cud chewer. Who am I? Did you say cow? I am a cow. Remember the name of a baby cow? Calf. I am a calf. Or a cow. Who am I? I'm a type of farm animal that produces wool that people use for blankets and other fleece items, and I can turn my head almost all the way around to see behind me. Who am I? I'm a sheep. Do you remember the name of a baby sheep? Lamb. All right, let's do another one. What is this? Horse. What is this? Duck. What is this? Chicken. Who am I? I'm a type of farm animal that can't fly even though I'm a bird, and I produce a lot of eggs for people to eat. Who am I? Did you say chicken? Cluck, cluck. I am a chicken. Do you remember the name of a baby chicken? Chicks. Who am I? I'm a type of farm animal that people can ride on, and I can run really, really fast. I have really big eyes with long eyelashes, and I can fall asleep standing up. Who am I? I'm a horse. Do you remember the name of a baby horse? Colt. Who am I? I'm a type of farm animal that is aquatic. I eat plants and animals, and I have waterproof feathers. Who am I? I'm a duck. Quack, quack. And what is a baby duck called? A duckling, right? You're getting very good at this. We're going to do one more game, and it's going to be a little bit trickier. Geese or goose? Remember this one? Donkey. This one? Cat. All right, you ready? Who am I? I'm a type of animal that when I fly in the sky, make a flying V. And when our babies bond with the first moving animal they see, even if it's not their mom. Who am I? I am a goose, or I am geese. Honk. Geese make a honking sound. Honk. Who am I? I'm a type of animal that is known for being very smart and having a really good memory. And I like to be with other animals. I'm very social, and I'm really, really strong. Who am I? I'm a donkey, right? Donkeys are known for saying hee-haw. Hee-haw. Can't make a good donkey noise. Can you? Who am I? I am a small feline farm animal that likes to eat mice and curl up on laps and fall asleep. Who am I? I am a cat. Meow. Do you know what a baby cat is called? A kitten. Well, that was really fun. I love doing Who Am I riddles. Did you get them all right? Even the tricky ones? I bet you did. All right. Goodbye.